always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys some Jordan 1 content. I'm gonna talk about almost every Jordan 1 that's gonna be releasing in 2021. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, man, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And also do not forget to let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments. Whether it's a reaction video, a collection video, anything, I'm coming with it all this year. Just trust me on that. It's nothing stopping me, bro. Like, this is my year, just like it's gonna be yours. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So honestly, I'm not gonna talk about these sneakers for too long unless I really like the release, and I'll elaborate a little bit, but we're gonna just flow through these, and I want you guys to let me know which are your top 5 once we are done talking about all of them. So the first pair that we're gonna talk about, which would be the women's silver toe, supposedly set to release in February 12th. This is pretty much like a satin silver toe type vibe. It has like that metallic-y silver on the toe box and around the heel. This is a clean colorway, but honestly I don't know if I would wear this more than my Royals or some of my other Jordan 1s, so I'll probably just end up sleeping on this pair. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I feel like all these Jordan 1s that I talk about will sell out, but as far as resale goes, I don't know how I feel about this one right here. Probably will have some type of resale considering that it is a women's release, but besides that, I honestly will be sleeping on this pair right here. After that, we got probably one of my favorites, and it is the University Blue Jordan 1s. These are rumored to release February 20th, and these look fire. This isn't better than one of the pairs I'm gonna talk about in a little bit, but it's still a banger. I really do love when Jordan does these bluish colorways. I regret not picking up the Columbias before they skyrocketed to $1,000. So low-key, this is the closest I'll get to that pair of sneakers. I remember those used to sell for like $180, $200. Now they're almost a rack thanks to Virgil, but it is what it is. This is a clean pair nonetheless, and honestly I feel like this is going to be one of the ones that does good resale wise. It looks like you have some pretty decent suede around the toe box, and it just looks like a fire pair, bro. You got some tumbled leather on there as well. Clean sneaker nonetheless. On April 17th, we're gonna see the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s. This is pretty much the turbo green with like a blue dressing to it rather than the green. This is a banger. This is probably my favorite one releasing out of all the Jordan 1s this year. This is definitely one of the better ones. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is the one that I'm most excited for. This sneaker will definitely do great when it comes to resale. I feel like everybody who slept on the turbo greens is gonna realize what those did and look at these even better. This is definitely a banger, and I might even have to pay resale for this sneaker. These are gonna release April 17th, and it's one of the better Jordan 1s. Trust me when I tell you that. That gray with the blue, fire. But on April 30th, we're gonna see 2 Jordan 1 releases. One of them is rumored to be limited, but I'll let you guys know about that in a second. We do have the Court Purple Jordan 1s, which is basically from the metallic pack that released in '85. This one only has like the purple around the collar of the sneaker, and the swoosh is also purple alongside with the outsole. This is a clean pair of sneakers, but honestly I could see myself living without these. I can't see myself living without the neutral grays. Those are amazing. It's rumored that these are going to be limited. Hopefully that's not the case, because I really do love this pair of Jordan 1s, but at the end of the day I gotta do what I gotta do to get these bitches in my collection. This is one that I would wear a whole lot. I do have the yin yangs, and they almost resemble these a little bit, but these are the OG cut, that high ass 85 cut on it with the neutral gray. These are probably one of my favorite Jordan 1s that released back in '85, so I'm hoping to get these in the collection. Resale for these is gonna be crazy. I can see it going from $400 to $500, if not more, depending on how limited they are. Fire sneaker nonetheless. We are also supposed to get AJKO Jordan 1s. If you guys know, this is basically the same Jordan 1 that we always see, but with like a canvas material on the top. This is famous for a lot of people, and a lot of people do love this sneaker, but for me, it honestly doesn't do it. Like, I don't know what people see that I don't see in these. Maybe when I see them on feet, I just feel like these will get creased way too easy. I don't know, but I used to always see these on eBay when I used to go sneaker shopping and shit, and I just never picked them up, but maybe I was wrong for doing that. Let me know if you guys like AJKOs in the comments. It's looking like they're gonna bring a couple colorways this year. Yo, it's rumored that we're gonna get another pair of Jordan 1s, obviously, in the shadow colorway. So it's supposed to be a shadow 2.0. I don't know what these will look like exactly. We have a mock-up right here, but honestly, I don't follow mock-ups too closely. Once I see them shits in hand or on somebody's foot, that's when I'm like, yo, that's what the color's gonna look like. But right here, all I know is that we're gonna get a shadow 2.0. Hopefully they do this right, because they could either kill this shit or botch this shit, and it could go either way ever so slightly. I'm really excited for the fact that we're gonna get another shadow sneaker though. Probably one of my favorite Jordan 1s of all time, and this is another banger. But we are gonna get the fresh mint Jordan 1s in the colorway. It does say black, light army, and sail. I'm assuming obviously the black is the black part of the sneaker, the sail would be the outsole, and then like that camo-ish color would be like the front panel. I don't know how I feel about these. Once again, I gotta see them in hand, what people look like wearing these shits. I feel like I'd probably end up skipping on this. There's a lot of Jordan 1s releasing, and that's not one that I need. This Arctic Punch one though is a banger. This almost reminds me of the ones that they did for Soulfly, if I'm not mistaken. The Arctic color and then the icy blue one. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. There was recently a sale on those on StockX for $20,000. So you know these hoes gonna sell for so much money. Relax, bro, relax. These hoes are gonna sell for hella money. I already know it. Honestly, I can see why. This looks like a clean sneaker, bro. I wouldn't even mind having these in my collection myself. I don't have anything pink or this color, so I feel like it would be fire to just be able to throw an outfit with this. It would definitely look clean. Resell for these hoes is gonna be through the roof, and these are rumored to release June 20th alongside the Paisley Jordan 1s. This is another one that's just a banger, bro. That paisley around the back collar of the sneaker is just clean. I feel like they killed it with this one. If they do like a paisley collection with like a red, a black paisley, or a gray paisley, and then this blue one right here, that pack would go nuts. People love paisley shit. I feel like for these Jordan 1s, it definitely will have the same effect. Low key, this is another banger, bro. They're killing it with the Jordan 1s. They definitely are. I don't know how I feel about this OG Light Fusion one. This almost reminds me of the New York to Chicago or some shit, LA to Chicago shits, but with the pink instead of the purple. Fire sneaker for the LA to Chicago's. This, I just don't know how much I'd be able to wear it. It's almost like a light pink or like an infrared. I'm good on this one right here. I'm gooch on this one, bro. Like, let me know what y'all think about that one down below. But on June 30th, we are gonna see the light smoke gray and then like this blue tinted colorway for these Jordan 1 high switches. This is basically the one that you can unzip the bitch and it becomes a low top or a high top. Fire sneaker in the gray colorway. I just wish that the zipper was like a blue or a red. Why the f is it yellow and not like a red color? Doesn't make sense to me whatsoever. Like, what makes them go with the yellow? I don't know, but I'm assuming it's because they want people to see that it's a Jordan 1 high switch. It kind of does defeat the purpose though. Bro, they're bugging on this one, but hey, I might go ahead and pick up the light gray pair just to see what these are like, especially in person. I just want to see what they're like, bro. But so far we got like 4 more pairs, one of them being the Pollen Jordan 1s. These are actually expected for ever so long. This isn't exactly what we wanted, but once again, this is a mock-up, so we don't know what it is, but we've been waiting on a pair of Jordan 1s in the yellow color for so long. Besides the new loves, we know we got those mids and shit, but I'm talking about like a separate just Jordan 1 in the black and yellow colorway. We haven't got that yet, and I feel like if we get it, people are gonna go crazy for it. I'm one of those people that's definitely gonna go for it personally. It's just a clean color on a sneaker, and I definitely would like to see how they implement it on a Jordan 1. I feel like even this right here is clean, especially if the yellow is not a fucking shiny material. We do not want patent leather on the yellow. Just keep it simple. Some nice tumbled leather will be good. We don't need the extra shit, but this black and yellow colorway can potentially be a banger. We got the women's Air Jordan 1 Atmosphere. This one comes in like this purplish and pinkish colorway. I feel like this is definitely catered to women. I can't see myself pulling this off. Honestly, I probably could, but I don't want to see myself pulling this off. I'm gonna just leave this one for the women out there who are looking for a specific Jordan 1 that's just for them. You feel me? Like, this is definitely one of those women's releases that is more catered to women. Normally when they do women's releases, like even the black and silver shits I spoke about at the beginning, those could go either way, bro. Like, those could have been a men release just like they could be a women release. These right here are more like geared towards women, and I respect that, bro. Let them have their shine, and that's cool. These are rumored to release September September 22nd. We got 2 more sneakers to talk about, and if you guessed, the shattered backboards are coming back again. You guessed right, bro. They're not gonna let this sneaker just be in peace, rest in peace. They're gonna keep bringing this shit back over and over again. We're gonna get the black toe shattered backboard, basically the black toe Jordan 1s, but instead of having red on the back, guess what they have? Shattered backboard, orange on the back of these bitches. Honestly, I'm cool with it as long as they don't throw chicken grease on the back of these bitches. We good. Like, I like this mock-up. I don't know exactly how true this will be, but hopefully it is what we're gonna get. And I feel like at this point, this is like the only variation of the Jordan 1 that's left. Like, what else can they come out with for a Jordan 1 shattered backboard? Like, literally, this is it, bro. They did everything they could do. They've done it all. This is probably the last one, and hopefully it is. I'm gonna end up going for it regardless. Fire colorway. These are supposed to release September 22nd. I don't know how valid that is because it's too soon in the year. Fire sneaker nonetheless. And last up for Jordan 1s, we got the Jordan 1 Bordeaux. These are actually fire, bro. It's like a Bordeaux Jordan 7 color on a pair of Jordan 1s. The swoosh is in like this gray color. The outsole is like in this maroon color. This is definitely a banger sneaker, and I will see myself going for this. It does say metallic silver on the actual colorway, but I don't know what that's gonna mean. At the end of the day, this is a fire sneaker supposed to release fall 2021. This Bordeaux Jordan 1 goes hard, bro. I'm definitely gonna need these in the collection ASAP. There's like 4 to 5 Jordans in this whole drop list or whatever you want to call it that I am gonna need, bro. It's gonna be those neutral grays, gotta come home with me. The turbo green looking ass ones gotta come home with me. Shadow 2.0s would be hard. The Arctic Punch color is actually a banger. Shattered backboards, Bordeaux, the black and yo. There's a lot of Jordan 1s coming out, and I feel like I forgot a pair that's gonna release on All-Star Weekend. It's the Jordan 1 like in the Chicago colorway. In the Chicago colorway, if I'm not mistaken. These are supposed to be super limited. It has like the stars on the bottom, translucent like outsole to it. Banger sneaker with the glimmery shine to it. But these are gonna resell for high bread, big money talk on these Jordan 1s. But at the end of the day, if I could get them, I would get them. If y'all did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bells to be notified each and every time I post a new video. Let me know what kind of vids you would like to see in the comments below, whether it's a reaction, whether it's a sneaker video, a Supreme video, a car video, bro. Let me know in the comments, and I promise y'all I will get to it ASAP. I got a lot of time on my hands, and I will go ahead and get to it, so just let me know. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.